question. So,
yeah, based on Hazoor's sermons. So from this past year. So question number 4. So this is going to move to Southeast. Okay. Question number 4. Hazoor Aidullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz instructed workers of UK Jalsa to note down for the next time which type of person. A person who is ignorant to the instructions. B, a person who does not help. C, a person who does not listen to the programs. Or D, a person with a negative attitude. 10 seconds. What's the answer?
D.
What's the answer?
E.
E? D. You're saying D? D for David. Is that right? That's correct. So the answer is D, a person with a negative attitude. Okay, now we're going to move to Virginia. Okay. What did Hazoor Aidullah bin Nasr Aziz say born Ahmadi should think? Oh, sorry. Can we move to the next? Okay. What did Hazoor say born Ahmadis should think or do after listening to the accounts of those who are guided by God? A, be even more convinced of the truth and ultimate victory of Islam Ahmadiyya. B, create a connection with God and watch their condition. C, note which methods of tabligh were successful to others. And D, pray to Allah to remain connected with the Jamaat. Time's up. Can we have an answer?
B, as in boy.
That's correct. Correct answer is create a connection with God and watch their condition. Okay, now we're going to move to Maryland. Okay, this is question 6. Why, according to Hadith, does the Holy Quran curse some people?